Hello and welcome. This is the second of the series of my portfolio project. This is a data analyst job data set that is from the United States. My name is Abdul Rashid. I'm a data and business intelligence analyst with dexterity in data visualization. You see, this is one of my projects that I've mentioned earlier that is showing data analyst job in US. The raw data that I use is this, which went through a lot of data cleaning. Let me take you through the data cleaning journey that I have to make in order to arrive at that particular nice looking data visualization. The first one is that we have the job title here that is showing the name of or the title that is being given to each of the data analyst job. You can see we can call it a data analyst, quality data analyst, senior data analyst, and so on. Then we have the salary estimate here. Then I extracted the salary range from the salary estimate. You observe that the glass door estimate have been removed. So I combined two functions, the left and the length function, in order to extract that. Then we also have the job description. We have the rating in float, in number, 3 points, in decimal like that. Then I categorize them to either be medium, low, or high. And the one that are showing -1, I categorize them to be negative. Then I have the company name. Then I also have the location. Then I have the province code. You see that I extracted the province code from the location as well using the right function in Excel. Then I also extracted the province, from the location as well. Then this is the headquarter. Then we have the headquarter code. This is the size of the organization, and this is the year in which the organization is being founded. And I categorize each of the organization to either be Renaissance if it was established before 1800. If it is established between 1800 and 1900, I categorize it to be under Century of Light. Then if it is between 1900 and 2000, then that is industrial organization. Then others are technology organization. This is type of ownership. Then we have the industry, the sector, the real sector, revenue, competitor, and how easy it is to apply for each of the roles. Then after that, I converted that raw data into different pivot table for me to be able to use. Then from that, I created this amazing, nice looking dashboard. Let me walk you through my dashboard for you to understand what it is actually showing better. Firstly, is that I have slicers here. You see that my slicers are customized. I customize them. This is a rare feature that I've mentioned in my previous video. When you are creating your dashboard, you can customize your dashboard to your taste, and in order for it to meet up with what you are designing in your data visualization. Sorry. Then, if I click on each of the slicers, for instance, if I click on I, you see that I is going to be showing me the top recruiting province, the century, the quantity and the percentage, the salary range, and the jobs at each province. So if I'm removing these, then everything is going to be changing dynamically. So I have a placeholder here that is showing the total number of jobs that is being posted in US for that particular period, while these will be changing dynamically based on the slicers that I chose here. You can see it is changing, but this is static, it is not changing. Then after that, I have the top recruiting province that is showing that New York is the top recruiting province, then followed by Chicago, San Francisco, and so on and so forth. Then I have the century, which I've categorized earlier, industrial. Then I place some icons here that matches each of the century that I've used to categorize my data. Then after that, I have my quantity, then the percentage of total. This is showing that we are having more industry in the industrial, century. It's amount to 809 jobs that are being posted for an organization that is under industrial, and that is 36% of the total. The lowest is the Renaissance Century with just 1%. Then I have my salary range here that is showing each salary range and the total number of jobs that is being posted for each of the salary range. Then I have jobs at each province using a map to represent that. So this is one of my amazing projects that I have created using Microsoft Excel. As I've mentioned, this is one of my portfolio projects. You can reach out to me and I can create other amazing dashboard for you as well. Thank you. See you in my next portfolio project. Bye bye.